Be honest with me for a second. Have you ever uploaded a video you worked so hard on, only to watch it sit there with barely any views? You refresh your analytics, hoping numbers will rise, but instead, nothing changes. It feels like YouTube just ignores your video, right? I know that pain. I've been there too, staring at my channel wondering, what am I doing wrong? Why won't YouTube push my videos like it pushes others? Here's the truth. YouTube just doesn't ignore videos for no reason. It actually looks for signals, things that tell the algorithm this video deserves to be seen. And today, I'm going to share with you the 10 must-do things that make YouTube recommend your videos to thousands of new people. If you're tired of creating videos that vanish into thin air, grab your notebook because what I'm about to share can change the way YouTube treats your channel forever. Let's start with the most important one. First, 30 seconds. Why? Because YouTube is watching closely. If you just click off within those first moments, YouTube says, maybe this video isn't worth recommending. If people stays, boom, you've sent YouTube a signal. Push this video out to more people. So in your first 30 seconds, don't waste time with boring intros. Hit them with a hook, a big promise, a shocking fact, a relatable pain point. For example, instead of saying, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, say something like, most small YouTubers are stuck under 100 views because they're making this one simple mistake. You see the difference? Instant curiosity. Another thing is your thumbnail. Listen. If people don't click, YouTube would recommend. It's that simple. Think of thumbnails as your shop window. Would you walk into a store with a dusty, ugly window? Probably not. Your thumbnail has to scream, click me. Use bold colors, readable text, and emotional expressions if you're showing your face. And please, don't clutter it with too many words. Keep it simple but powerful. Here's a quick trick. Shrink your thumbnail down to the size it looks on our phone. If you can't read it or it looks messy, redo it. Because remember, 70% of YouTube views come from mobile. Another is use titles that spark curiosity. Title and thumbnail works together. If the thumbnail is the face, the title is the voice. Don't just say my morning routine. Instead, say I tried waking up at 4 a.m. for 30 days. Here's what happened. See how that sparks curiosity. People want to know the results. And here's the bonus. YouTube recommends videos people click. So when you use curiosity-driven titles, your click-through rate goes up. And when click-through rate goes up, recommendations follows. Focus on watch time, not just views. YouTube doesn't care about views as much as it cares about watch time. Imagine these two videos. One gets 1,000 views, but everyone leaves after 30 seconds. Another gets 300 views, but people watch 7 minutes on average. Guess which one YouTube will push? The second one, because people are staying longer. So don't obsess over view count. Ask yourself, how can I keep people watching just a little longer? That's the key to recommendations. Tell stories, not just facts. People remember stories, not bullet points. If you're teaching, wrap your tips inside a story. Instead of saying consistency is important, share your personal journey. Back in 2022, I almost quit YouTube because my videos were getting 20 views. But when I finally committed to posting once a week, within 3 months, I hit 10,000 views. Stories keep people engaged, and engaged viewers tell YouTube this video is being watching. Use playlists to boost session time. Here's a secret most small YouTubers ignore most. Playlist. When you create playlists, you're not just organizing videos, you're telling YouTube, hi, my channel keeps people watching longer. Example, if you make videos about YouTube growth, create a playlist called Grow on YouTube Fast in 2025. Then add all your related videos there. When someone watches one video, they are auto-sent to the next one. This keeps them in your world and increases session time. YouTube loves session time. It's like gold. Add call to actions inside your videos. Call to actions aren't just for marketing. They are for retention too. Simple line. Don't click away yet, because I'm about to reveal the most powerful trick at the end. That little tease keeps people watching. You can also drop, if you're getting value so far, smash the like buttons so I know to make more videos like this. The longer you keep them, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your content. Number 8. Use end screens and cards smartly. Another mistake people make is ignoring end screens and cards. These features literally tell YouTube this creator is keeping people on the platform. Instead of ending your video code, use an end screen that says don't stop here. Watch this next video. Here I break down the mistakes killing your channel. If 40% of your viewers move from one video to another, YouTube will reward you with more recommendations. Study your analytics. Your analytics are a gold mine. Look at audience retention. Where are people dropping off? If at 1 minute people leave, maybe your intro is too long. Look at click-through rate. If your impressions are high but click-through rate is low, that's a thumbnail or title problem. And don't ignore traffic sources. If most of your traffic comes from WhatsApp or external shares, you are not yet in YouTube good book. The goal is to see more traffic from browse and suggested videos. That's when you know YouTube itself is recommending your content. Consistency in value, not just uploads. Now, this is where many people get it wrong. They think consistency means just uploading every day. No, YouTube doesn't recommend spamming. It rewards consistent value. Ask yourself, is every video delivering something worth watching? Is it entertaining, educating, inspiring, or solving real problems? YouTube doesn't push videos because you upload often. It pushes videos because they keep people watching. So focus on quality plus consistency together. One solid video a week can outperform 7 rushed videos that nobody watches. So there you have it. 10 powerful things you must do if you want YouTube to recommend your videos. And here's the good news. You don't have to master all of them overnight. Start small, improve your thumbnails, fix your first 30 seconds, learn from your analytics. Every little tweak sends strong signals to YouTube. Before you know it, you'll check your analytics one day and see something magical. Suggested videos and browse features, taking over your traffic sources. That's when you know YouTube is finally recommending you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another YouTuber who is struggling. Trust me, these 10 steps can be a game changer. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.